Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete all fingerprints and rescan new one on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then here, tap on fingerprints. You need to put in a PIN or a passcode. And then to delete a fingerprint, simply touch and hold. Then select the fingerprints you would like to remove. Next, tap on the remove button at the bottom and tap on removed. And to rescan a new fingerprint, tap on the add button and then tap on continued. And in here, you can start to scan for a new fingerprint. Now at the moment, I also have a screen protector on my device. And then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.